Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're someone who loves shopping on Temu, you're probably always looking for ways to save money. Well, you're in luck. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use your coupon codes on Temu to get amazing discounts on your purchases. Right now, Temu regularly offers great deals, but applying the right coupon code can give you an extra discount, cashback, or other exciting perks. So whether you're a first-time user or a regular shopper, this step-by-step guide will help you maximize your savings. So make sure to watch until the end, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more shopping tips. Okay, now let's get started. Open the Temu app on your phone and browse for the items you want to purchase. Next, add your selected items to the cart. For this example, I'm adding a stylish watch. So once you've added everything, go to your cart by tapping the cart icon. Next, review your selected products and tap on checkout. So you must choose your preferred payment method. I'm selecting cash on delivery for this purchase. Scroll down until you see the apply coupon code section. So if you already have available coupons, they will appear here. Simply select the one you want to use and tap apply. Okay, so if you have a specific promo code, type it manually in the box and press apply. Once applied, you'll see the discount reflected in your total amount. And after confirming everything, you have to tap submit order to finalize your purchase. And that's it. You've successfully applied a coupon code in Temu and save money on your order. Super easy, right? So don't forget to subscribe for more money savings tips. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.